बदलू राम का बदन जमीन के नीचे है.
Hello and welcome back to The Seeking Soul. This is Sudhanshu, Ankita, and Star. We are a couple, along with a dog, who decided to take a break from our city life to move to the mountains and spend the next few years working in the Himalayas as volunteer teachers.
The Himalayas are full of countless destinations, which are immensely beautiful and seem out of this world. Most of these places are quite popular and frequented by tourists. But it's a different experience altogether when you get a chance to visit a place which is not very known or popular and hence is far more peaceful and serene.
Varila Pass is one such less frequented route which connects Khalsa to Karu and is an alternate route if one does not want to pass through Leh. You find only a couple of villages en route and there are hardly any roadside eateries or tea stalls that one finds otherwise on regular and popular routes. Hence, it turned into a overlanding trip for us where we had to prepare for camping and cooking in the wilderness. We were also looking forward to this trip as the road conditions on this route are not that great and hence presented an awesome opportunity to try some off-road driving in our beloved Thar.
Some of these off-roading points were actually a bit too steep and it took some heavy lifting on the engine to get out of those spots. So much so that we had to actually wait it out for a couple of minutes with our car hoods open to let the engines cool off.
और ये देखिए, who had the maximum fun roaming around in the wild while we waited.
Another interesting thing about such trips is the like-minded people we meet and bond with, sometimes making friendships for life.
On the way, we got an opportunity to spot some magnificent yaks which were oh so majestic and sometimes oh not so majestic.
We also saw dozens of cute marmots. Guys, it's a request. Please don't feed the wild animals anything as they are not accustomed to our type of food. For example, sugar can be fatal for animals like marmots.
Thereon, the off-roading saga continued. And finally, we reached the Varila Pass. हम आ जाए हैं वारीला पास अपनी पहली ऑफ-रोडिंग ड्राइव के लिए. Well, this is not literally the first off-roading drive because we've had some off-road tracks here and there. But if you look at this pass, it's one of the untouched, unexplored, very less explored passes of the Leh-Ladakh region. इसका height है almost 17,400 feet and makes it as high as one of the other popular passes of Ladakh. The good part is कि यहाँ पर बहुत कम गाड़ियाँ आपको दिखाई देती हैं. I think including us, we saw only about 3 to 4 other cars. About 70 to 80% of the road up till here is paved. It's still getting constructed up till here, but the last 20% is a very very good off-road track if you really want to have some thrill and adventure. Of course, you need a good car to come here. Only then you can actually traverse through easily. Well, अब हमारा प्लान है कि हम यहाँ से अभी आगे जाएंगे. We will descend a little bit, close to about 2,000-3,000 feet, so that becomes more comfortable in terms of oxygen levels. We're gonna camp, putting our tents overnight. We're gonna cook food, probably sing some songs. And उम्मीद है कि आज आसमान थोड़ा साफ हो, जिससे हम तारे देख सकें. Given the air and light pollution over here is almost minimum, so really looking forward. Hope it's gonna be an exciting night.
We drove for another 30 kilometers approximately to descend to a height of 14,000 feet where we found a beautiful stream and decided to camp there. It was an exciting experience, setting up the tents, settling down in them, cooking our dinner on a stove. We also did a small bonfire and then it was time to go to sleep. Hey Star. Star.
It's 9:30 और हमारा डिनर हो चुका है. We cooked our dinner on a kerosene stove for the first time today. Took some time to get adjusted to the entire operation bit. अब हम जा रहे हैं सोने and it's a little bit of sort of chilly weather here, but we have very good sleeping bags. ये sleeping bags up till -20 degree तक handle कर सकते हैं. We're going to test them out today for the first time. We also have Star here. It's cuddled up in a shawl. Just in case he feels more cold, we also have a sleeping bag for him, which we will put in case he feels a little bit more cold. And now, yeah, we're gonna go to sleep. Looking forward to a wonderful and beautiful morning tomorrow. There's a stream right outside our camp, just about 10 meters away. We have surrounded our camps with our cars so that the wind and breeze can be blocked as much as possible. So let's see tomorrow morning how beautiful it's gonna be. Good night.
We woke up to a lovely morning where we had for company gorgeous but constantly changing views all around us.
And then we cooked some simple breakfast and wrapped up our camps. At the same time, we ensured कि हम नेचर के बीच अपनी कुछ भी निशानी ना छोड़ें. मतलब, we collected all the garbage that we had created while we were there and carried it all back with us.
बदलू राम का बदन जमीन के नीचे है, बदलू राम का बदन जमीन के नीचे है, तो हमें उसका राशन मिलता है. शाबाश हालेलुया, शाबाश हालेलुया, शाबाश हालेलुया, तो हमें उसका राशन मिलता है.
तो ये थी हमारी पहली ओवरलैंडिंग ट्रिप टू द ब्यूटीफुल वरीला पास. मिलेंगे आपसे फिर एक और नए एडवेंचर के साथ. तब तक के लिए शब खैर. Today I want you guys to meet our good friend Tanush, who looks like a Himalayan cowboy, reminds you of the wild west, but yeah, he's the true representation of the wild east. He's somebody who's staying in the Himachal for last 1 year almost. That gypsy that you see belongs to him. Yeah, so you would have seen it in the vlog already many times altogether. This lovely place called Varila was suggested to us by him. Thanks a lot, Tanush, for making this happen and taking care of all the logistics, taking care of the arrangements, and making this a wonderful and beautiful experience for us. He does a lot of these expeditions where he tries to explore offbeat places. Varila is one of them that he discovered on his own. And you can follow him on Instagram. The link to his profile is right in the description box. Thanks a lot again, buddy. See you again soon. Definitely.
लेके जाना